In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a website with Godaddy. When you open Godaddy Website Builder, the setup begins with two very important questions. First, it will ask what kind of website you want to create. Second, it will ask for your website's name. These two answers matter because they guide the builder as it creates your starting design. Take a moment here and be specific. For the website type, enter a clear description that matches your goal. For example, if the site is for a local service, an online store, or a portfolio, make sure that is stated accurately. For the website name, use the name you want visitors to recognize. The more precise your answers are, the better Godaddy can match the layout, style, and image library to your needs. This helps the builder generate a draft that feels much closer to the type of site you want from the beginning. Once you have entered those details, click Next. Godaddy's AI engine will then create a complete homepage draft for you almost instantly. After that, you will be taken directly into the visual editor. This is the main workspace where you can review the design that was generated and begin shaping it into your website. At this stage, it is a good idea to pause and look over the homepage draft. Since the builder uses your earlier answers to decide the initial structure, you will usually see a layout, images, and overall style that fit your business or project category. This gives you a strong starting point and saves time compared to building everything from scratch. If you want to quickly change the overall appearance of the site, click Try a New Look. This is one of the easiest ways to test different visual styles. With a single click, Godaddy can swap font combinations and design styles across the site, while keeping your text content in place. That means you can explore different looks without worrying about losing the wording that is already there. It is a simple way to compare design options and choose the one that feels best for your brand or message. When you are happy with how everything looks, click Publish. This makes your website live so other people can view it online. Before publishing, it is always smart to do one final review of the homepage draft and visual style so you feel confident in what visitors will see. That covers everything you need to know.